Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word Quixotic. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. His quixotic attempt to turn his tiny apartment into a 5-star hotel was met with skepticism from his friends. Quixotic describes someone who is exceedingly idealistic, often to the point of being unrealistic or impractical, like the whimsical and naive character Don Quixote. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.